I just spent 9 days in the southwest islands of the Philippines and had the most amazing time ever. In this video, you'll see my trip highlights in El Nido and Coron, and let me tell you, both places exceeded my expectations. I thought I'd quickly explain my island route and how I decided about how I'm gonna island hop in the Philippines, because there are over 7,000 islands, if you didn't know, in the Philippines. So obviously when doing my research, I'm like, well, where do I go? Where's best for me to head to as a solo traveler? After doing lots of research, I decided to travel the west side, the southwest side of the Philippines islands, which is Puerto Princesa, El Nido and Coron in the 9 days that I had. And I had the best time ever. El Nido just has a special place in my heart now. And I also want to just quickly say hello to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for welcoming me. So many people have welcomed me to the Philippines. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I better get into it because I think I'm just talking for too long. Let's show you how amazing El Nido is. So in El Nido, I chose to stay in a hostel because I am solo traveling and I wanted to make friends and I wanted to meet people. I stayed in Outpost hostel, and I will come on to this more later in the video because I did a little tiny room tour, but I would highly recommend Outpost. And I therefore did all of the trips with Outpost as well. I mean, I say all of the trips, I did 2 trips. So this was the first trip, this footage I'm showing you. This is called Tour C. And this was a whole day boat tour for 1,700 pesos, which is literally £23.81. It's just so affordable, so amazing. And you go around to all of these amazing snorkeling spots, these hidden beaches. I mean, just look at the water, guys. The snorkeling was so good, so good. The next day I did Tour A, which is very similar. You're on the boat, the same kind of boat, the same food for lunch, but you go to different spots. And I actually did enjoy Tour C more, and I expected to enjoy Tour A more because Tour A is one of the most popular trips. But I think maybe it's just because it was so overcast on this day, and we went to more beaches on Tour A and had less snorkeling time, I found. Then with Tour C, I was in the water a lot more, but both were amazing. Tour A with Outpost Hostel also cost 1,700 pesos, which is about £23, and both trips included a buffet lunch and snorkel gear. So yeah, I've just put this footage in. I didn't really get to vlog properly in El Nido because I was with friends and I was having a really good time drinking a lot of alcohol, if I'm honest, and also swimming a lot, and just really enjoying my holiday and my time off work. So El Nido, this is your footage. The Coron part is coming soon to this video, and I vlogged a lot more there, so hopefully you'll enjoy still. It's officially my last day in El Nido. Not gonna lie, I haven't vlogged much because I have been having the best time with loads of people from Hostel. We were partying, we were boat tripping, and I also forgot to put my SD card in my GoPro on one of the days. But I'm going down to get some breakfast, and then I've got a ferry to Coron. El Nido has my heart. I will come back here, absolutely love it. The Philippines is amazing. So yeah, we're gonna get the ferry, and then I've actually booked a hotel instead of a hostel in Coron now, just because I want my own space after a few days in a hostel. This is the hostel I was staying in, Outpost. Highly recommend. So good, absolutely amazing. I'm gonna put some clips in of the view from the hostel as well, and the food's really good. Everyone's super friendly. Just have to walk down the beach to get to the hostel. This is a quick room tour of where I was staying in the hostel. It is a 4-bed female dorm, and we had a private ensuite, which I was not expecting. It was so good. After spending a few days in El Nido, I got this 3.5-hour ferry from El Nido to Coron, and it cost about £40. It was super easy, it had aircon, it went really quick, to be honest. I then finally got to Coron. I was so excited. I didn't actually stay at Outpost Hostel in Coron, but this is Outpost Hostel in Coron because my friend was staying there, so I did go over there at some point, and I did the boat trip with them as well. The Super Ultimate Tour in Coron felt so much more busy than Tour A and Tour C in El Nido. Like, you go over to Coron Island and you head over to a couple of lakes. So you actually do a little bit of hiking, which I didn't realise. There's quite a lot of steps and there's some really nice viewpoints. And then you go down to the lake, and the lake was stunning. You're going to see the footage in a minute. This was the boat on the way over there. And then you get off and you walk up all of these stairs and you come down across to this lake, and the water was so nice. Like, I saw this water and I was like, I cannot wait to jump in. Look at it. It's like nothing I've seen before. How is it just so amazing? So yeah, I went in and had the best time there, cooled down because it was so hot. There were these little fish as well. I should have known that I took my GoPro into the water way too much on this day, even though it's supposed to be waterproof. There was a viewpoint, but we did have to queue to like actually get up to the viewpoint, and that was the only downfall to this Super Ultimate Tour in Coron. Compared to El Nido, there were so many tourists, especially at the lakes, as you saw in the footage before. Like, there were just so many people swimming, which is like not a problem at all. It was just different. Like, El Nido didn't feel like that. It was actually really empty. The snorkeling in El Nido and Coron was my favourite thing about the whole trip, I think. Like, look how many fish there were, and the water's so clear, you can see all of the coral. This was actually a shipwreck as well. That was really cool to see at one of the destinations that we stopped at. Here's me, the most attractive way you can see someone is in a snorkel. I don't know why I included that. And then after, I kayaked as well in another location, but unfortunately I didn't get any footage because my GoPro broke, because I took it in the water too much on this day, as I said before. But anyway, amazing trip, highly recommend it. So I'm in a place for lunch. It's my last day in Coron. I'm so sad. I'm going back to Manila tomorrow. So yeah, I slept in. I managed to sleep in this morning, which was so nice because I've not been able to like not set an alarm for like so long. I'm just having a chill day. I'm gonna get some food, explore Coron, and then get a massage. Here is my Cuban sandwich. It looks so good. I'm so excited. I finished a delicious lunch. Now I need to go to the ATM. I've run out of cash so quick here. I need to like get back to Manila and work out how much I've spent all together, and I'll let you guys know, because I like went out a lot clubbing and stuff like that, so, but drinks are so cheap. Anyway, I'm gonna get some money out and I'm gonna go find a massage place. This is a really cool bar I went to the other night that had live music. It's a really nice venue in there, and it gets really busy in the evening. This is a fire station. And I want to show you guys this multi-sport centre that I saw the other night, and I don't think I filmed it because it's just so nice. So this here is like a recreation centre. So it's like they do sports in there. And then next to it are like open air basketball courts. And the other night, I'm going to try and enter some footage, like portrait footage. There was people dancing, like practicing dance with music, and then there was like a game of basketball going on here. And there's steps that you can sit on, and all these lights like light up at night time. It's just so nice here. It's such a nice space for the locals as well to come and play sports. And this is where I'm staying. I just had the nicest massage. Well, every massage feels amazing, but oh my gosh, I literally fell asleep. And I never want it to end. Like, I do an hour massage and then they finish and I just want to be like, I'll pay more, please, just keep going for like another hour. I'll pay double, I'll pay triple, like just keep going. But I feel so good. I feel so tired still though. Like, I think it's still catching up with me, everything, even though I slept in. So it will obviously take a few days for me to feel back to normal. So I'm gonna try and get like another early night tonight. But I'm gonna give you a little hotel room tour because it's a really nice hotel that I'm staying in. So this is the room. Flat screen TV, super clean, really good aircon. And then this is the bathroom. The shower's really good. It's like you can switch between like rainfall and not, and it goes hot as well, which is really nice. And yeah, I paid about £100 for 3 nights to stay here, and it's right in the center of Coron town, so it's amazing. And there's also a rooftop bar here, which I haven't checked out yet. So I'm gonna go up there for sunset because there's supposed to be amazing sunset views, so I'll film that for you guys as well.